Evolution is a change or alteration in species over a long period of time in order to adapt to the environment. This can be proved with existing evidence. Charles Darwin came up with the theory of evolution while observing the finches of the Galapagos Islands. From his observations, he saw that although they were all similar, they all had different beaks. This led to the concept of speciation. This meant that they all came from the same species, but were exposed to different environments, which they had to adapt to by evolving. These tigers all came from the same species, but diverged to where they were exposed to different conditions which forced them to adapt. There are many types of speciation. The most common type of speciation is sympatric speciation. Sympatric speciation is when two species evolve from a single species. This is a picture of sympatric speciation. Natural selection. Natural selection is a theory that claims the organisms that are more able to adapt will live longer to reproduce, thus passing on their genes. These are examples of natural selection. Picture 1 is a picture of two moths, both in one environment where they have an advantage and disadvantage, depending on the color of their environment. Picture 2 is a picture of two hands, one with a thumb and one without. According to natural selection, the hand with the thumb has an advantage because it has the ability to grab things, such as food, which will help it to survive.
Adaptations. Adaptations are features that give species an advantage over others in order to survive. This is a picture of a blue-footed booby. Although they have a disadvantage on land due to their flat and webbed feet, they are great swimmers. With their flat and webbed feet, strong tail, and torpedo-shaped body, they are quick and frictionless swimmers. Variation. Variations are differences among species created by mutations produced by reproduction and recombination, which creates diversity. This picture shows variations in plants. DNA is the blueprint for all life and organisms. It has genetic instructions for the development and functioning of organisms. Mutations. Good or bad accidents that occur in the nucleotide sequences in DNA caused by chemicals, radiation, and viruses. Common descent. A theory that all species come from the same ancestor. This is what links humans and chimps together. By using comparative anatomy, it can be inferred that all species came from the same ancestor with our similar structures. As you can see, the human hand has a structure similar to those of a whale, bat, and a cat.
Another type of comparison is comparative embryology. Comparative embryology is a comparison of organisms in their early stages of development. At a certain stage, most organisms develop a throat and a post-anal. In conclusion, evolution is a provable and testable occurrence of both species, plant and animal.